Finest Motorsports. As you can see in the back, we are officially installing Ray Motorsports front mount intercooler titanium in purple. The owner here, Gus, I'm pretty sure you guys met him in the last video, but he's gonna do the whole teardown for us, take everything apart, show you guys put it on together, and then we need a retune again from Anthony. And then I think that pretty much concludes all the power mods we're gonna do at this point. Maybe some headers later, but today is just straight bolt-on installation. Enjoy the B-rolls, and if you have any questions, make sure to hit them up for our installation, because we cannot, I can barely open the box on this. But you can see the piping is super nice, purple titanium to match our intake. Now that I've seen it in person with longer piping, it looks really intense, because our intake is kind of hidden, but now it's going to be all over the place.
It's Gus here from Finest Motorsports. So today we're working on Aero Dynamics WRX, and in front of us we have a Ray Motorsports full front mount intercooler kit. It's a full titanium front mount piping. It also comes with a washer fluid little tank right here on the side. And then on side of us we have all the clamps that she provided along with the hoses. It's a direct bolt-on fit, so there's no trimming need to be done to the front bumper. So yeah, let's get started on it and see how it goes with the install.
Alright guys, we're back, second day. The front mount intercooler is officially done. As you can see, right in the front, it looks freaking insane with the purple all around the top and to the back. Gus is gonna go over with you guys in details of everything, but I have the stock top mount intercooler, which is, I would say, maybe half the size of the Ray's front mount intercooler. But as you can see, it looks super crazy. We can't drive it hard yet, so we can't get any data for you guys. But we are going to get the new revised tune from Anthony from Drunkman Tuning, and we are going to as well get a dyno run to see the final numbers. I think we're going to go E50, I believe, or E30, but I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to have Gus, the owner of Finest Motorsports, going to give you some details on this, on installation, and then we'll get some videos for you.
All right, what's up guys? It's Gus here back at Finest Motorsports. So as you can see, the install is fully completed now. Definitely, no issues with fitment wise. Everything fitted properly how it's supposed to. So the core we decided to use is a 4-inch core that Ray Motorsports provides. 1,000 horsepower rated core, which is more than enough for these cars. So another feature that I really like about this kit is where the throttle body mount places are right here. She provides the 4 titanium bolts with the spacers, and you use a OEM O-ring gasket, so there's no leaks from there. Really cool feature about that. A cool thing about this kit, even if you do have the Boomba catch cans, everything still fits how it's supposed to. All brackets go back where they are, so there's no issue with fitments if you do run them. The Ray Motorsports front mount intercooler will still work with them. Yeah, so overall install was fairly easy. Takes about 3 to 4 hours. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, if you're in SoCal area, we could definitely get you covered here. We're in the city of Azusa, so give us a call. Follow us on Instagram at Finest Motorsports.
All right guys, we are officially done with the Ray's front mount intercooler in titanium purple, intake in titanium purple, and we have her also her intermediate pipe as well. She did an absolute phenomenal job with the welds. As you can see, even the throttle body here, look at this, so goddamn beautiful, guys. As you can see, Gus, told us how amazing this install was for him, and so I'm sure you guys can do it at home, but it's still a lot of parts to remove in the front, but overall, Ray gives you a whole step-by-step everything. super good. Her customer service, super good. Another thing I want to go through with you guys is that if you do have our front brace, it will not work. And I think this applies with the ETS2 and all the other front mount coolers. It just hits it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim our bottom of our front brace and just cut it and then bolt the 2 bolt on. Just, you know, make it look cooler. I still think it needs it, in my opinion. After having it, now it's gone, I'm kind of sad. But you can see the front mount looks super crazy. This lower grill, I might just cut this. We're actually making the piece 2 that's coming out soon. This whole lower grill is gonna be a aftermarket piece coming soon. But anyways, for the meantime, I might just trim this so we can show more of the front mount intercooler. But aside from that, yeah, I think the car looks great. The car sounds crazy. Me and Jerry just data log a bunch of logs for Anthony. So he's gonna finish up the tune for us. And then it's gonna be finalized on E30, and then we're gonna go E50 later once we have the flex fuel kit. So power-wise, I don't know, man, close to 500. We're gonna break this transmission, and then we're gonna upgrade this transmission. That's the plan. We're not gonna break on purpose, but we're gonna upgrade it for sure. Aside from that, yeah, I hope you liked the parts, guys. So hit up Ray, guys, like I said, and hit up Gus too, you know. If you're in SoCal, you need someone to install, hit them up. They'll take care of you. I'll put all the products that I have in the link below, so check it out. And then in the next video, we're gonna show you guys the data logs and Pro Tune, no, not Pro Tune, what is it, dyno. We're gonna dyno the car finally and see how much power we're really making in its current state. So, and I'll give you guys more updates on a bunch of parts. And speaking of parts, guys, this is April already, so end of this month, guys. For those that order the V3 wings and everything that's on back order, it's coming, guys, like 4 or 5 containers coming, a lot of stuff for you guys. So thanks for being patient, guys. Flares next week, I'm gonna show you guys. I think that's it for now. That's it for now. Oh yes, our gold F1 titanium exhaust coming in 2 weeks. I'm gonna put that on. But in the meantime, yeah, hope you like this video. Oh, I didn't even get to show you this. Look at this. Ray also added this titanium, what is this? Like a windshield fluid reservoir cap thingy. Oh, so sick, dude.
Is it the old stock one hits the...
Oh yeah, it hits it, yeah. So Ray made an aftermarket. So look at this, guys. No hitting, nothing. And the best part, look, Boomba. Now you can see my Boomba, guys. Look at the back right there. My Boomba pitch mount is officially revealed now because top mount was covering it. And we have the Boomba catch cans, which all fit perfectly with the front mount intercooler. So this is the intercooler to get, guys. And it's lightweight and it looks so sexy. You know, now that it's purple, I think we should have went blue, huh? But purple is nice. Yeah, because to match our titanium exhaust, you know? But this is nice too, you know? I went purple because it's special, no one has it. And then hopefully I might get a box for this. I asked Ray too, she might make a box for this, so to get better airflow. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this video because we have a bunch of more content coming out. And by the way, Elantra might be getting sold, unfortunately. I don't know yet. I'll give you guys more details. But we are gonna pick up another shop car. I'm just gonna tell you guys. It's either gonna be the BRZ or the GR86 22. So comment below, guys, because we have a gang little parts coming for that car. So, all right, guys, peace out.